Today we are going to talk about Streptococcus bacteria. There are three types of Streptococcus available. First one is alpha hemolytic or partial hemolysis in agar media. Streptococcus pneumonia and Streptococcus viridans are simple of it. Second one is beta hemolytic or complete hemolysis. They contain Streptococcus pyogenes and Streptococcus agalactiae, which is vaginal normal flora. Gamma hemolytic or non-hemolysis like Enterococcus faecalis. Now we come to Streptococcus pyogenes, which is very important. In its clinic, we will study pyogenic inflammation, toxin-mediated and non-suppurative sequelae. Pyogenic inflammations contains pharyngitis, tonsillitis, otitis media, impetigo, erysipelas, cellulitis, furuncle, carbuncle, puerperal sepsis, abscesses in internal organs. Toxin-mediated are scarlet fever. In its clinic, sore throat, fever, macular rashes, and strawberry tongue. Necrotizing fasciitis, streptococcal toxic shock syndrome. Third one is non-suppurative sequelae or immunologic or post-streptococcus sequelae. The first one is acute rheumatic fever, which contains cholera, carditis, migratory, arthritis and fever in their symptoms. Second one is acute glomerulonephritis, which contain hypertension, proteinuria, hematuria, face and ankle edema in their symptoms. Drugs used in streptococcus diseases: penicillin G or amoxicillin, macrolide or clindamycin for penicillin allergic, endocarditis caused by viridans by penicillin long-term use, enterococcal endocarditis treated by penicillin G or vancomycin plus aminoglycosides. Penicillin G or amoxicillin as drug of choice for group B streptococci. In its prevention, no vaccine are available except of Streptococcus pneumonia. Acute rheumatic fever prevention, we must properly cure Streptococcus pharyngitis cases. Acute rheumatic fever, history and family must take preventive antibiotics. If we want to reduce sepsis in newborn, we must culture the vaginal or rectal swab in 35 to 37 weeks of pregnancy. If positive, in delivery time, we give penicillin G to the patient mother. If culture is unavailable, we give penicillin G when delivery takes place before 37 weeks. Fever during delivery. Indication of penicillin G when there is culture and amniotic where there is no culture and amniotic membrane rupture take more than 18 hours. Sorry for the mistakes.